Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address in CRA online. So first head over to canada.ca. Next in the search bar, type in change address, then press enter. Then next from the search results, scroll down until you see change your address, update your personal information with the CRA. So just click on the link. And as you can see here, there are four ways to update your address. You can simply do it online. And for you to do that online, you're going to need to sign in to your CRA account. So here are the steps. Sign in to your CRA account, select your individual account to access My Account, then select profile, then go to contact information, select edit, and from there, simply update your address. To get started, click on the CRA sign in button. And from here, sign in using sign in partner, or you can also use your CRA user ID and password or with a provincial partner. So if you choose CRA user ID and password, of course, you're going to need to provide those credentials to log into your account. Once logged into your account, all you have to do is follow these steps. Now, if you can't sign into your CRA account, there's still other ways. If your phone number has changed and you can't receive your MFA or multi-factor authentication passcode to sign in, you'll have to update your information by phone. So to do that, switch to by phone, and here are their hotlines that you can contact to get assistance in accessing your CRA account, and of course also to make changes to your address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!